Next, build up your contest page. The contest entry page needs to be simple and exciting. It must get people excited about the contest and prize, and make it easy to enter. Here are the 5 elements of an entry page for a contest on Facebook, shared by Wishpond, a campaigner tool. Number 1. Attention-grabbing title. A short title phrased as a call to action is the best way to maximize entries. For example, enter to win a $50 gift card from Diamond Candles is both simple and informative. It tells the visitors what they can do on this page, what the prize is, and who is running the contest. It contains the essential information a person needs to feel informed enough to enter the contest. Number 2. Graphic of your prize. An image of your prize is a great way to entice and motivate people to enter. If you are giving away a gift card, include an image with the gift card value in text and a product that people can buy with that gift card. Number 3. Entry and pricing info. Include a short paragraph with info about the prize, how to enter, and any rules or restrictions for your contest to keep from overcrowding your contest page. Number 4. Entry submission form. An entry form for a Facebook contest consists of an email address sign-up box and an enter sweepstakes button. For contests that require entrants to submit photos, videos, or text entries, it can include a file upload field or text area. It can also include custom fields like city, age, etc. to capture more personal details. Number 5. Share buttons and Facebook comments. Make it easy for entrants to share your contest with friends by including share buttons directly on the contest page. Facebook contest can also include Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and Pinterest share buttons, and include Facebook comments to boost interaction on the contest page. Giveaways are maybe the simplest yet very effective type of contest you can create to bring traffic to your page and capture more leads. After having learned how to run a sweepstakes or whatever contest you have created, it's time to promote it.